Did you remember to change your clocks? Spring forward, and it's kind of a soggy Sunday. And I'm off to church. Well, I'm trying to have some breakfast here and get some work done, but this little one here, she's bent on going outside, and I already brought her in. And it's raining. She still wants to go outside. Why do you want to go outside? Huh? What is it? Something out there? Birds? What? Squeakers, what's going on? Obviously, Squeakers is having a little shower time out there. What's going on? What is it? I will never get this cat, I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. And it is raining. Okay, so it's Sunday afternoon. What you doing? She is sleeping in the rain. What the heck? You guys do see this, right? I'm not just seeing things, am I? Hilarious. Oh my goodness. Don't get it. Good morning. It's just been napping all day. Isn't that right? Good kitty. Oh, what a stretch. Good morning. And let's see what Squeakers is up to, because Squeakers has been outside. Oh, yep, still out there. Look at her. Crazy cat. I'm not going to open the door because then Mischief's going to want to go outside, and it's still raining out. So, I am still working on my videos from Friday and yesterday. I'm getting sidetracked with looking at stuff on the news and whatnot, but it is a rainy day once again on the road, but fortunately the wind and the rain aren't too bad. It's just kind of a steady drip. She's still out there. Mischief finally gave up. I'm sure, I have no idea what Mischief thinks. I think she thinks, well, I'm missing something because that cat is out there in the rain. Anyway, so I was starting to tell you guys that they had this warning going on the weather report last night. I don't know if it's still going because I saved this, but I wanted to show you. It's a hydrologic outlook, which means that it's, I guess, fast rises on rivers and streams. And so they don't see however, no flooding is expected at this time. It just means that there's a potential for it, I guess, and that it can rise pretty quickly because of all the rain, obviously. But it's not going to do anything here. Doubtful. So, yeah, I'm going to get back to work here. I've been watching some of your vlogs and trying to get caught up with that and trying to get caught up with mine as well. Well, it's raining, but Mischief is anxious to go out there. So, it's going on what I believe it's going on the sunset hour. because it's let's see, what time is it? Yeah, it's going on the sunset hour because it's going on 7 o'clock. And as you can see, it's still rainy and foggy. I haven't checked the weather forecast lately. I imagine, though, it's going to be like this tomorrow, I think, from what I remember. Ah, well. It's okay, because I have a lot of stuff to do around here tomorrow. Oh, of course, now you're not going to look at the camera. Well, I am about to catch up on some videos, and I am also uploading Friday's vlog. I'm still 2 days behind, unfortunately. And today's been kind of one of those off days. I mean, it was a good day. It's just I didn't really get any work done. I did Skype with Mox a little bit earlier, but I didn't film it. He was just basically talking about work and stuff, so, because he had to work this past weekend. But he's doing well, and we're kind of getting in the home stretch, if you will. Shouldn't be much longer, maybe another week or two before I begin my journey out there. Fingers crossed. And yeah, weather-wise, it's just been kind of one of those drizzly days. Other than that, you know, just kind of a low-key Sunday. Tomorrow, however, and the rest of the week, I have to kick it into high gear, because this is the home stretch, so I got lots of stuff to do. I hope everyone out there had a great weekend. I really want to thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you so much to my new subscribers, and welcome. And don't forget to like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And have a wonderful evening and a great week ahead. And we will see you tomorrow, right, Mischief?